Hello friends, and welcome back to Inside Luxury Campers, the channel where we explore some of the most interesting motorhomes and camper vehicles from around the world. Today we are taking a look at a very unusual camper from China, a rugged off-road motorhome built on the large Great Wall Shanhai Cannon pickup truck. This is one of the newest pickup-based RVs developed by the Chinese manufacturer Lanzhong RV, a company that has specialized in pickup campers for more than 20 years. The brand works closely with Great Wall Motors and focuses on building off-road capable motorhomes designed for long-distance travel and outdoor adventures. Before we start the tour, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and write in the comments below. Would you travel in a camper like this? Now let's take a closer look at this interesting vehicle. The camper is called the Shanhai Cannon RV, and as the name suggests, it is built on the flagship pickup truck from Great Wall. The Shanhai Cannon is known for its powerful drivetrain and off-road capabilities, making it a perfect base for an expedition-style camper. From the outside, the vehicle looks strong and aggressive. The front design keeps the styling of the pickup truck with a large grille, modern LED headlights, and a bold off-road appearance. The body of the camper module is mounted directly onto the pickup chassis and constructed using insulated composite panels to provide durability and thermal insulation. In terms of size, this camper is quite impressive. The overall length is just under 6 meters, the width is around 2.4 meters, and the total height reaches over 3 meters. The wheelbase measures approximately 3.55 meters, giving the vehicle a stable stance and good road presence. The total weight of the camper is about 4 tons, and the vehicle is also capable of towing a trailer weighing up to 2.5 tons, which adds extra flexibility for long expeditions. Under the hood, the Shanhai Cannon RV is powered by a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine. This engine produces around 125 kilowatts of power and 480 newton-meters of torque, providing strong pulling capability for both highway travel and off-road terrain. The engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, which delivers smooth gear changes and efficient cruising during long road trips. The vehicle also features a BorgWarner 4-wheel drive system with MLOCK, allowing the camper to confidently travel through mountains, dirt roads, or remote landscapes. One of the key engineering features of this camper is its specialized G3 RV platform. This chassis design separates the living module from the main mechanical systems, which lowers the center of gravity and improves overall stability while driving. Now let's move inside the camper. The interior is designed to provide a comfortable living space for extended travel. Above the driver's cabin, there is a large sleeping area, often called the cab over bed. This space can comfortably accommodate 2 people and benefits from large windows that provide natural light and a good view of the surroundings. In the center of the camper, you will find the main living and dining area. 2 sofas face a central table, creating a cozy space for meals or relaxation. When needed, the table can be lowered and the seating area can transform into an additional sleeping space. Next to the dining area is the kitchen section. The kitchen includes a sink, a countertop for food preparation, and a portable induction cooktop. Above the cooking area, there is also a ventilation hood. One important detail is that this camper is equipped with 2 separate cold storage units, a refrigerator and an independent freezer, giving travelers much more flexibility for storing food during long trips. There is also a microwave oven installed, allowing travelers to quickly prepare or heat meals while on the road. Moving further toward the rear of the camper, we find the bathroom. The bathroom includes a swivel toilet, a folding sink, and a shower system. A hot water system is installed as well, allowing travelers to enjoy basic comforts even when camping far away from cities. The Shanhai Cannon RV is designed for long-distance travel without relying on external infrastructure. The fresh water tank holds approximately 200 liters, while the gray water tank has a capacity of about 60 liters, providing enough water supply for extended camping. The electrical system includes a large lithium battery pack with a capacity starting at 222 amp-hours, and it can be upgraded to a larger battery system for longer autonomous operation. Solar panels can also be installed on the roof to recharge the batteries while the camper is parked, helping power lighting, appliances, and other electrical equipment inside the motorhome. The Shanhai Cannon RV is available in two main versions. The first version is the standard model without slide-out sections, which keeps the vehicle more compact and durable for off-road travel. The second version includes a side slide-out module which expands the living space when the camper is parked, creating a much larger interior area. The starting price for this camper in China is roughly 550,000 yuan, which equals approximately 75 to 80,000 US dollars depending on configuration. For a fully equipped off-road motorhome built on a large pickup truck platform, this price is considered quite competitive. Overall, the Shanhai Cannon RV is a great example of how quickly the camper industry in China is evolving. It combines the capabilities of a powerful off-road pickup truck with the comfort of a mobile home, allowing travelers to explore remote landscapes while still enjoying the convenience of a fully equipped living space. Now tell us in the comments, do you like pickup-based campers like this one, and would you travel in a vehicle like the Shanhai Cannon RV? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Inside Luxury Campers, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future camper tours. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
我有动力了，我不一样努力电话写没有？你要开个10万，还要拿10万，拿10万。